Do you need a water softener? Having hard water affects how your water works and feels. I'm Ben with Bonfe, and I'm here with Jim, one of our plumbing experts, to go over whether or not a water softener is a good fit for your home. So first off, what does a water softener actually do?
Water softeners remove minerals like calcium and magnesium from your water so you don't get spots on your dishes and build up in your appliances.
How can a homeowner test to see if they have hard water?
By just using your water. If your soap is not lathering up properly, and then if you're noticing spots, and spots could be on your dishes, on your faucets, build up on your shower heads, your shower curtains, or if you notice mineral buildup inside of your appliances, like your dishwasher.
Does every home in Minnesota need a water softener?
Not necessarily, Ben. Each city treats their water slightly differently. We also have well water out in the country that has even more minerals.
So Jim, then what is actually involved in a water softener installation?
Well, first things first, call Bonfe. We'll stop out, we're gonna test your water, specify the proper equipment, and get the installation usually wrapped up in a few hours.
Great. Thanks for the tips, Jim.
Thanks, Ben.
And thanks for watching. If you want to see any more of these videos, please visit our channel. And if you ever need help from an expert, we're open 7 days a week.